So what you can also do is you can give ChatGPT some content and let it make questions on the basis of that content for you. So to do that, I'm going to type in this prompt. So I'm going to go around and say, in the next message, I am going to send a content for that. Based on the content, make 10 questions right here, just like this, and I'm going to press enter. So once you do that, it says sure, go ahead and share the content. I'll generate 10 questions based on it. So I'm going to go around over here and select out this content on Android, just like this. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V right here and press enter. And what happens is that you can see that based on the content, it produced 10 questions right here, like who primarily develops Android operating system, and what is the core of Android operating system, and so forth. So now I can also tell it to make other type of questions. So I can say now make 10 MCQs right here, just like this, and press enter. So once I do that, it shows MCQs right here, just like this, based on that particular questions right here, just like this. I can also say based on that, make fill in the blanks questions right here, just like this, questions now, and then it'll generate out the fill in the questions mark right here, just like this. Now make true or false statements right here, just like this, and then it simply goes around and does that out right here. And I can also say for the questions, mention the answers as well. So once I go around and do that, then what happens is that it says whether it is true or false right here, just like this as well. So the correct answer is true and false right here. So let me just go around and say generate 20 MCQ questions now with 4 options and mark the correct answer as well, just like this. So once I go around and do that, now you can see that it generated out the MCQ questions for me right here. Like, let's say for example, who primarily develops Android operating system, and you can see that there's C, Google, as an answer right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and then let's say for example, like create questions on the basis of content that you give to ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.